Hello, I hope you are doing great today. So, in PTI, we not so long ago decided to start publishing some set of APIs for your use. There are many different options at the moment. The one I want to talk today is about this one, food ingredients. This API allows you to identify the different food ingredients that are in your food, the additives, and their alternative names. I mean, the other names used for those same ingredients. It also allows you to identify the diseases that are linked to those specific ingredients or additives. Okay, so to see your APIs, you can go to repeatapi.com/team/PTI Costa Rica default, and you can see that this one you can also find it on the Rapid API and then the food category, and you will see food ingredients down here. Okay. Now you click on it, you will go to the actual API definition for your usage, and you will have three endpoints. One endpoint is to get the list of common ingredients that exist in some products. So you will get a list. Right now we only have 17, but the list is going to keep growing. So you will find things such as ammonium bicarbonate, folic acid, fructose, iodine, iodinized salt, iron, lactose, monosodium glutamate, niacin, sodium bicarbonate, sugar, many others, right? Also, you will be able to get the associated diseases to the additives that you will specify. So you can go to the get associated diseases endpoint. As you can see here in this example, we have the one for folic acid, and you will get some information such as associated diseases, and it will have like folate deficiency, rheumatoid arthritis, hereditary folate malabsorption, Alzheimer's disease, fibromyalgia, bladder infections. Okay, you can also search for things such as glutamate. You can choose whether include the the alternate names or not. So basically, if I choose to not include the alternate names, the names will come empty, but the synonyms or the alternate names for the actual ingredient will be empty, but you will have the associated diseases. So you will see that for glutamate, you will have some associated diseases for the compound with ID 33032, and some of the diseases are going to be epilepsy, schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, heart failure, stomach cancer, anorexia, leukemia, colorectal cancer, etc., etc., etc. You will have the other list for the other compound ID. So if you include the names, you will see that there will be some difference in there because they are different compounds. So you will see that here I will have two compounds. These are the alternate names for the compound 33032, and all of these are the alternate names for the 23327. So yeah, you can see there the actual names for different or alternate names for the different compounds, so you can create even more searches and things like that. You can see a little bit little bit more information. This is a little bit more detail with the links to the PubChem website. So for example, this is an example for sugar. You will see that for sugar we have this information list where we have the associated disease information, the compound ID, the actual link to the diseases section for that specific compound. So if I click on it, I will go to the actual disease section for the specified component with that ID. So you see that 5988, it has related diseases as for colorectal cancer, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, sepsis, lung cancer, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, eosinophilic esophagitis. Okay, if I click on another one, let's see. Okay, we also have this PubChem additives and ingredients URL. This will get you to the same page. However, it will redirect you to the actual information of how those ingredients and additives are used in foods. Okay, so if you want to keep healthy, if you work in nutrition, if you work in research, if you work in development of health applications to care of your body and things like that, and you can use our APIs to inform people better about the possible effects certain additives have in their body. Hope you have liked it. Let us know any other functionality that you may want in our APIs. Thanks a lot for using it. Also, please repost this, share the YouTube video, retweet it, publish it on LinkedIn, publish it on Facebook, and help us promote the APIs. Thank you very much and have a great day.